Yeah, the super bike here. Wait, this is a brake lights over here, and the reverse lights, and the Can M. Wow, this bike over here. Oh, sorry, it's a bike, but it's almost like a car, as you see. You see, the guy told me, salesman, this is a Canadian brand. Wow, guys, look at this bike here. Wow, guys. And this bike is worth like $200,000. And look at how you operate this bike. It's very confusing, guys. Okay, by the way, this is where a driver can sit. By looking at this thing, it looks very comfortable. So, and this is front, pretty much. This is where you hold. And this is more like, oh, that guy told me it's a brake. Even the guy who work here don't have information on this bike. And look at what sports, rims, black in color, but also heavy lights on our top here. And this is more like a shock. Wow, guys. And you can see over here, it's a right side mirror. I think the ignition is off right now because nobody is using it. And you can see here, it's got a screen to protect you from the wind when you're driving. Another exciting thing about this bike, it has three wheels, two wheels in the front and one wheel at the back. And you can see the headlights from this bike, guys. Wow, if you look over there, maybe that is to cool the engine down. This bike is something else, guys. And this is where you can rest your feet over there. I think this bike, as you can see, guys, just watch it from a distance. Actually, this bike here is not for sale. They said the owner of this place is a, I mean, it's his bike. He's using it for like personal reasons. So nobody can buy this bike. It's not for sale here. And you can see here, the driver sits over here, rest his feet over here. It can carry a passenger. A passenger can sit over here, hold over here. Then a passenger can rest his feet over there. Wow, guys, this bike is something else. And what is special about this bike, since it has three wheels, it is not easy for it to just roll over. So it's almost like a semi car. Okay, wow, guys. Then in this garage, you got a collection of cars. As you can see, you got a SUV, Lamborghini, Auris, and Mercedes. And you can see. So, guys, when I came here, I saw a Bugatti Chiron from the outside, guys. Let's go and check. This is all the Mercedes collection. Is this? These people leave a small gap when they parking their cars, so they must be very professionals, guys. As you can see, this is a Rolls Royce. In the front, it's a Lamborghini. And the gap here is so small. I can't even walk in between this one here, between this gap. So, guys, going over here, you can see an SUV Bentley Bentayga. Wow, guys, look at this color; it's very attractive. As you can see, it is blue in color with big max rims. Wow, guys, this thing is something else. Check the front of this car. This thing is crazy, guys. I'm telling you. With a red I mean, sorry, that's a red with a black bonnet with a small uh, blue color on top. This car actually look like it is dirty, but guys, you know what? It is not dirty. It is the color. It is designed like this is the design of this car, as you can see. When I first saw this car, I thought these are stains or something, but it's not. You can take it to a car wash. This black thing, as you can see, it will come back as it is. Men's. No, man, sorry, I made a mistake here. This is a Bentley Mansory, as you can see here, guys. You know these Bentleys, they can confuse you sometimes. Let's check, guys. This is the interior of this car. Look blue. This is a Mansory. Wow. It looks similar to a Bentayga, but it's not. As you can see here, the interior of the car. And you can also check everything here is blue, is matching the inside color, is matching the outside color. And this is one of the special cars. Okay, another color that may confuse you. You can think this is dirty, but it's not. But this is a design how it is. Guys, I cannot go to see the Bugatti collections because look at the space is too small for me. Let me try to squeeze in, and you can see a Rolls Royce and a Ferrari. Let me just squeeze in gently without touching anything. We got a Porsche over here. We got a nice collection of Porsches, guys, over here. And over here, we got a Ferrari, a convertible Ferrari, guys. You can see this is the engine over here on the back in this Ferrari. As you can see, this car runs with petrol and electricity. So this one on the left is petrol, and on the right, you must know now it is electricity. And over there, we got another black Ferrari. These two cars are like twins. The only difference is the rims are not the same, as you can see. This is another design of a rim. This is another design of a rim, but it's the same car, as you can see, guys. The only difference is color, and the other difference is this is not convertible, and this is convertible, but they are both Ferraris. Let's check the interior of these cars. Look at these guys. Wow. Guys, this is a breathtaking view, guys. Check this out. The interior of this car. And this car, they can only load two passengers. Okay, you can see. Okay, guys, this is the interior of the Ferrari. It's built for speed. As you can see, guys, in the Ferrari, it can only load two passengers, engine on the back, and this is the front interior of this car. And these are the let me try to squeeze in. These are the Bugattis. This I was telling you guys about. It's a two sets of cars, as you can see. V16, W16, sorry, I mean W16. As you can see, this is another Bugatti. Wow, guys, this is more like a family of Bugattis here. You can pay anything up to $5 million on each car. Okay, unfortunately, I cannot go across. And there's another Ferrari. Wow, guys, another luxury thing. Wow. So, yes, hello guys. What car is this? Is this also a Ferrari? Oh, that's McLaren. Oh, okay. Wow. This thing looks something else. Oh, McLaren got two exhaust. Oh, it's not possible to go in the front. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay. Wow. Look at that doors can open upwards. This is a McLaren Senna. Where it has a flat screen, so it is not possible to go and check the interior of the car. And this is a Ferrari. Okay, guys, and this is a Bugatti. As you can see, we've got a one Bugatti. Oh, sorry. Look at the sports wheels. And here we've got another Bugatti. The interior of this car is blue. Unfortunately, we are not allowed to go on the front over there. So I can only show you from this angle. Wow. So guys, come to Dubai and experience the spirits of luxury cars. Let's go and check. Okay, we have already seen these cars over here. Oh, this is another convertible Ferrari. And we got another convertible Mercedes Benz. Wow, guys, look at this car with a cream white interior. Wow, guys, look at this. This is how you operate this car. This is like a Mercedes. It's a convertible Mercedes Benz. Wow, check this out, guys. Electric window, whether you want to open and close windows, anything. And this car can load like four passengers at the same time. Let's try. Wait, guys, another thing. As you can see, guys, these are Ferrari keys. Wow, they are made up. They are made up of. They are made up of gold. As you can see, guys, we got Ferrari keys. It's a V8 Mercedes Benz. As you can see, guys, it's no space for me to go backwards, and it is a convertible Mercedes Benz. Ah, guys, this is all we've got for today. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you upload. You subscribe so that you will be able to view all the videos that I upload on my YouTube channel. And the other thing, there's this like amazing designs. I can say, wow. But it's a Mensuri. Much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'm gonna be doing my best to bring some more action for you guys. Please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much.